them seem feel like me Mohawk. Want to tear me clothes off, the girls them seem feel like me Mohawk. Touch the road, me not talk, woman me no run down, girl me not stop. Girl them seem feel like when it tall, and I'm just talking about my Mohawk. Now the barber shop, now the barber shop, tell the barber trim the two side, nothing from the top. Touch pan the block, gal them a send me hot, gal a scream from the top, me a the cream of the crop. Designing on the side, make me your style shot. All the girls me a free and I me them a flat. Plus me have the latex and I'm an obstacle. Pop your girl like a rat trap for the fat. That's why them girl they pre me when me flow past, because them seem feel like me Mohawk. Want to tear me clothes off, the girls them seem feel like me Mohawk. Touch the road, me not talk, woman me no run down, girl me not stop. Girl them seem feel like when it tall, and I'm just talking about my Mohawk. Anytime we touch the road, when we touch the road, spazzy ever, turn up, ever overload. Me no spazzy cause so me no played me own a sword. Tell them jump in on me yard, coulda never bored. Girl we a free, we no free them cold. Mohawk ever fresh, it no stiff like wood. All of the girls them walk on me road, come me make them little titty jump like sword. Them girl they free me when me flow past, because them seem feel like me Mohawk. Want to tear me clothes off, the girls them seem feel like me Mohawk. Touch the road, me not talk, woman me no run down, girl me not stop. Girl them seem feel like when it tall, and I'm just talking about my Mohawk. Mohawk, Mohawk, where the girl them say me show off. Mohawk, Mohawk, me and the girl them a take a slow walk. Mohawk, Mohawk, where the girl them say me show off. Mohawk, Mohawk, Ajrenalyn Mohawk. That's why them girl they free me when me flow past, because them seem feel like me Mohawk. Want to tear me clothes off, the girls them seem feel like me Mohawk. Touch the road, me not talk, woman me no run down, girl me not stop. Girl them seem feel like when it tall, and I'm just talking about my Mohawk.
Happy birthday, Latonya, first class, Latonya styles. She just passed through and come bless up Ajrenalyn Mohawk video. I'm not lie, I respect that because when her earth strength she come bless me up on thing, you know. She's Dancehall loud. You hear that? One of the maddest artists show I come out for the summer. Remember me tell her that. Take it as me. Alex Russ. Dancehall loud. Latonya styles. First class. All over. DanceJa. DanceJa. This is Alex Russ. Filmmaker, producer, writer. You know, just representing for DanceJa. Bless up yourself, Latonya styles. DanceJa to the world.
Yeah, this is your girl Latonya Style. Say yo people, when I log on to www.danceja.com. Dance moves from A to Z. Profiles for all the Jamaican dancers and the dancers worldwide. You don't know people, check it out. Videos, news, everything about dance. You don't know? Latonya Style, so go check it out. DanceJa.com. Big up Alex Russ. Big up the production of the entire crew. Price, Mohawk crew, everybody. Big up on yourself, please. Love.
Feeling the feelings, run up in them facilities. Get them on Latonya in the closest proximity. Yo, DanceJa. Marshall, I say big up. You see me? A crazy thing with them on the set. You see me, I'm mad something I go on. Crazy dancing, crazy energy. Check out the website. I don't know it there already. She don't tell you. Bless up on yourself. You see me? I say, boom.